Hey guys, it's Katie. So I just want to say thank you so much for 80 subscribers. Before we get on to the video, I just want to say that's an amazing number. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to do so now. My yearly goal is 100 subscribers and we're only 20 away. So let's get right on with the video. Whoop. Hi everyone, Katie's Craft here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 DIY summer clothes for really summer or spring, whichever you want. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification Squad for a shout out in my next video. Now let's get straight on with the DIYs. So here's the before. And here's the after. And here's the back of the after. So the first DIY clothes sort of thing is going to be used with stencils. So I bought a load of puffy paints / slick paints, whatever you want to call them. They were 30 quid including shipping off of Amazon, and there's 20 in them, so roughly around 150 each. I think it was a pretty good deal. Now I'm going to shut up about my good bargains and let's get straight on with whatever I'm doing with my life. So first we're going to decorate the pockets. So I chose this stencil thingy for I don't really know what they're called, but you hang them up at parties. Anyway, I just used the stencil, then fixed it up with a thinner brush. Then I did like a sun sort of design. Then I did my favorite number, 17, and I just used a load of stencils, cleaned them up, and made them better, I guess. So as you can see, I used a load of bright colors, and what's better than doing a rainbow on the back? Nothing. True. Yeah. So that's what I did. And I'm gonna put some stars on it off camera, I think, and it's gonna be cool. Yeah. So here is the before. And here is the after. So keeping with the bright colors summerish theme, I went with the rainbow colors again, as you can see. And I'm just gonna make a random design that doesn't look very good on this t-shirt thing that used to be a pajama shirt. So can we just take a moment to admire my beautiful nails? Just there. They're a work of art, and they took hours to make. Damn it. So then I just did a load of dots around the neckline part. So here is the before. And here's the after. So this is probably one of my favorite designs I've ever done on a piece of clothing. I'm just very proud of it, and I think it looks really cool. So I did a classic summer design, and look at my nails, they're beautiful. Again, so I just mixed up my own color for the strawberry ice cream. That's my favorite type of flavor, if you didn't know. And then I mixed up a cone color, and then I just used those fabric markers that I showed you earlier to make the sprinkles. So for the next design, we're going to be decorating some leggings with hot glue dots that I painted gold. So we're just making a load of glue dots with our hot glue gun. And life hack, if you want to not mess up your hot glue gun, then hot glue a glue stick onto the one that's already in your hot glue gun. So then I'm just painting my dried hot glue dots gold with acrylic paint. Here's the before. Gosh dang it, I hate fake pockets. And here is the after. Still hate fake pockets. So next I just counted up all the hot glue dots and split them into equal groups, I guess. Then I hot glued them to both sides of the leggings. Then I just signed my name on all of the clothes that I made today, apart from the leggings because they're black, to give it like a professional look, because I'm not professional at all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification_Squad for a chance to be my Crafter of the Week next week. See you next time.